Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a conversation on Muzz. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Muzz account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Marries, Explore, Chats and Menu. You have to go to Explore and find out who has liked you. From the liked you option, right beside visited you. Well, you have to like them and they have to like you back, or they have to like you and you have to like them back to start a conversation. So the best option would be like back someone who has liked you. You can see they're gonna give you a start conversation box. You just have to say hi or something, then send it to them. And guys, that's it. That's how you start a conversation on Muzz app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.